Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya.
Thank you, Guruji, for giving me this beautiful opportunity, for actually commanding me that I should do my Shukrana today. It's exactly a year now. Last time I was here on 9th of April, that was an Easter Sunday. And today again, it's an Easter Sunday. And Guruji, I don't know, it was unplanned, but he planned it already. Middle of the week, my heart started throbbing. Go and tell Seema auntie or Aarti auntie that you want to say a Shukrana. I was so, I didn't know what to do, but at the end of the day, I called up Aarti auntie and I said, I just need 2 minutes and want to say my Shukrana to Guruji and Guruji's Parivar. Guruji, thank you for everything. I don't want to cry. But thank you for everything, for making me what you want me to be, for holding my hand every breath of my life. Every day is a fresh anointing for me. For checking me, for putting me in control. As you said, charity begins at home, and everything starts at home for me. Then it spreads out at my work and then the surrounding. Guruji, again, thank you for a blessed year. I'm living in presence, in your presence. It's an awakening for me. So many things that I did not know that I can face because of some or the other karmas, but you're repairing me, working on me, and when you're doing that, definitely everybody in my family is blessed, the surroundings are blessed, friends are blessed, and so on. Thank you, Guruji, and thank you, Guruji's Parivar. I learn a lot from you. Everybody's satsang is so touching and is a learning experience in its own way. I want to just say one quick experience from Shivratri that I had. A couple of days before Shivratri, I was listening to a satsang online, and there was a message which said, Kali Ma ke mandir ho ke aana. And I said, Guruji, kabhi aap bolte ho Shiv ji ke jana, kabhi bolte ho Durga ji ke yahan jana. So I'm blessed. I have a Sai temple just 5 minutes away from my home. अब आप मुझे काली मंदिर बोल रहे हैं, मेरे पास पेंसिल्वेनिया में काली मंदिर कहीं नहीं है. And I Google searched it, and it told me there's a Kali temple in New Jersey. खैर मैं शिवरात्रि पे आई, and suddenly when I'm driving and Kali Ma ka swaroop right falls on my windshield. Exactly the way I have seen her in my dreams or in front of my eyes. It just falls on my windshield, and I said, Guruji, what did it do? ये क्या बोल रहे हैं आप करने के लिए and all that. I'm just now going for Shivratri celebration, and I left it to that, and it stayed with me for a while. After Shivratri celebration, I went home. Again, Google searched, and Guruji, thank you for making things so simple. You won't believe there's a Kali Ma temple just 8 minutes away from Guruji's Darbar. And religiously every Sunday, I go to that Kali Mandir and I stay half an hour क्योंकि वो 11:30 बंद हो जाता है. I'm right in the parking lot there for almost from 11:30 to 12 till I come here. But this is what all Guruji does, and it's just obeying his instructions, and he is the best guide. Thank you everybody again. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji, Anantam Shukrana Guruji.